Hi guys, Miss Tish again. This is our third toilet paper craft, which really is more like an activity. You don't even have to wrap them or make them pretty for this, but really, they're pretty boring without it. So I'm going to wrap one more just in case you didn't catch the other videos. It's easy and it's pretty boring, but we're going to do that because we need two more. So I cut a rectangle. All right, we'll set that up again later. A rectangle of wrapping paper. And I tape it to the toilet paper roll, wrap it around, kind of try to go straight, but it's not super important. And tape the other side. There's that one. And now let me see. Here's my other toilet paper roll. And let's see if I can find my paper. Oh, I do not see where it went, so we'll cut a new piece. Oh wait, nope, is that? Nope, it's not that one. All right. We will use balloons. And this is what I mean by it doesn't have to be exact. I just tore this off of a strip that I had next to me. You can see it's wider than the toilet paper tube. That is okay. Wrap it around, and oh, the wind is starting now. It was so good through all the other videos. Cut off if you have a little bit of extra. Watch all of your bowling pins go flying. Because that's what we're going to make them. We're going to make them bowling pins. Now, I don't know if you guys have, I don't know, a bowling ball at home. We really don't need a bowling ball when we're talking about toilet paper tubes. But I'm pretty sure most of you have a toy car. And if you don't have a toy car, I'm betting you have a Nerf blaster. You might have both. And if you don't have either of those, I am betting that most of you have Legos to build a car. So I didn't find easily a ball to play bowling with. I instead found a Nerf car. I keep forgetting this too. If you do want to make them look pretty, there are ribbons. And if you want to make certain pins or tubes worth more points, then you can wrap a ribbon around them to aim for them. You can make it a competition game or you can do just for fun. See, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I was supposed to have 10. Let's see. We'll put a flower in there for 10. So there they're lined up like bowling pins. And you just take your car, and I'm going to give it a little push because the wind is going to help us. Let's see. That's not. Well, that was a gutter ball. Let's see if my ball return gets me my car back. And we'll try again. Maybe this should be worth points. Uh-oh. I really crashed it bad. All right, let's try again. Whoa, okay. Yeah. Tell me you guys will not have fun with that. I don't know if you could see it because it went out of frame, but it was fun. They went all over the place. So that was setting them up like bowling pins. You can also, if we're feeling dangerous, set them up, and we'll see if the wind will let me do this. We're going to set them upright. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Nope, nope, nope. And here is where, if we wrapped ours kind of closely. Oh, there's our flower. That's okay. We'll just put the feathers to the side. We're going to go up high.
How are you?
And hi, Jess. That's one of my other neighbors. And I have a blaster, but it's not really fun when my target knocked down before I could even do it. But that's okay. I'll shoot one of them anyway. And they shoot back. So you guys can use this for target practice. You can make a game out of it with your brothers or sisters. You can even challenge your parents maybe to see who is better with the accuracy with either your Nerf blaster or a Lego car or just maybe a tennis ball. I know a few of you who have dogs that are nuts about tennis balls. You could see how many toilet paper rolls you can knock down before the ball is stolen by your canine companion. But I hope you guys have a lot of fun with it, and it will keep you busy while you're on spring break. This is Miss Tish. Bye for now. Hope I see you soon.